Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will share you 10 Canva hacks you need to know in 2024. Parallax effect using Magigram. Add a photo, for example this photo, and then click edit, and then go to Magigram, and then click it, and then click here, and then click brush, and then select this stone area. Okay, and then click grab, close it. Now increase the size like this, and then select this background, go to animate, and then choose photo zoom or photo rise or photo flow. Rotating text animation. I will add a rotating L, reduce the size, place in the middle, and then go to text and type a text. Change the font color and the font to the font that you want, and then go to effect, select the text and go to effect, scroll down and choose curve, and then add the curve until it made like this. Increase the size, and then go to animate, and then choose burst. Protecting mug mockup. Add your design to your page. For example, I will use this strawberry, and then go to edit, choose scroll down and choose mockup on the apps, and then see all on video, and then find the rotating mug like this. Okay, now you have it. Zoom animation. Add your photo. For example, I will add this tiger, reduce the size, and then click this thumbnail view, and then duplicate the page, and then click duration. I will change the time to 2 seconds and apply to all pages. And then select the page 2, select the tiger, and then increase the size. And then select the space between and click add transition. Choose match and move. Add the duration to maximum, and then let's play it. Okay, now you have it. Turn photo into watercolor painting. I will add this Holy Paint Splash, and then amend. And then select them both, and then right click and download selection with transparent background. Click download. Remove all these images, and then upload the PNG here. Increase the size, and then go to apps, type cartoon, choose cartoon filter, and click this icon, cartoonize and replace. Okay, now you have it. Turn photo into coloring page. Add your photo. For example, I will use this car, sport car. Go to apps and type photo. Choose photo to sketch. Click this icon. Filter strength set to 4. Click the transparent background and click transform and replace. Okay, now you have it. Change object color. I will add a photo of a sneaker. Go to edit. Go to adjust. Scroll down and find the color of this sneaker, which is this red. Click it, and then play the hue and the saturation, and also the brightness. Okay, now you have it. Fill text with photo. I will add a tiger photo, or you can add another photo. Go to apps and then type font. Choose this font frame and then type here, for example, tiger. Go to setting to change the font, the outline thickness. You can see here the outline. Okay, and the letter spacing, and also the line spacing. Now back to image and text, and then click selected image. Use selected image, so the tiger inserted here. Increase the image size, and then add to design. So now you have it. Create gold text effect. Add a gold element on the photo. Go to apps. Type font. Choose font frame. Click this icon. And then type the text. And then click use selected image. Go to setting. Change the outline thickness. I will choose to 0. And then add to design. Now you have it. You can change to silver, bronze, etc. Realistic shadow effect. Add a photo. Remove the background. Duplicate. Go to edit. Go to dual tone. Select custom. Change the highlight to black and the shadow to the same black. Go to apps and then type skew. Choose this icon and then change the horizontal skew, for example like this, and also the vertical. And then add to design. I will increase the size so the foot has the same size. Send it to back. Move up a little. Okay. And then crop it. Select this silhouette. And then crop it. Place it here. Reduce the size. And then go to element. Add a square. Can set it as like a room. Send to back. And now you have it. So these are the 10 Canva hacks you need to know in 2024. See you next video and have fun with Canva.